class we discussed how the image is formed in the mirror. So this is an object. The image when all the reflected rays meet at a point, there you will get an image. After getting the image, here this triangle is a right angle triangle. This triangle is similar to this triangle. This triangle is similar to this triangle. So write down triangle A dash B dash F is similar to triangle this one MPF, triangle MPF. So if these two triangles are similar, we can write the equation A dash B dash by this side is similar to this side, that is MP, which is equal to B dash F by FP. B dash F by FP. So here MP, this length is same as the object length. That is, these two lines are parallel to each other. So in the place of MP, we can write AB. So A dash B dash by AB is equal to B dash F by FP. Write this equation as 1. Now take another triangle. Here, as the rule 4, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So this triangle and this triangle are also similar. So now we can equate the triangle ABP, which is similar to B dash A dash P. B dash A dash P. These two triangles are similar. Now we can write the equation as AB by B dash A dash. AB by B dash A dash. AB by B dash A dash, which is equal to BP by B dash P. BP by B dash P. So if we write this equation as, if we interchange the term in this equation, B dash A dash by BA or is equal to B dash P by BP. So write this equation as equation 2. In equation 1 and equation 2, the left hand sides are equal. So we can equate the right hand side, which is equal to B dash F by FP is equal to B dash P by BP. So B dash F by FP is equal to B dash P by BP. So B dash P. So we can, B dash F is nothing but this distance. This distance can be written as B dash P minus FP. If we subtract FP from B dash P, you will get this distance. So B dash F by FP can, B dash F can be written as B dash P minus FP by FP, which is equal to B dash P by BP. So now do the sign convention. What is B dash P? B dash P is nothing but the image distance. B dash P is a image distance. So it is on the left side. According to the sign convention, we have to write in terms of negative. And FP is nothing but principal focus to the pole of the mirror, which is nothing but the focal length, minus focal length is also on the left side, so we have to write in negative, by FP is minus F, which is equal to B dash P is image distance again, minus V by BP is the object distance. You have to write minus U. If you bring all, if you cancel the negative terms, the equation will become V minus F by my F is equal to V by U. Now this equation can be written as V by F minus 1 is equal to V by U, and V by F is equal to V by U plus 1. So V by F is equal to V plus U by U. If you bring this V to this side, 1 by F is equal to V